Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of the Naenka Runner Pro2 Bone Conduction running headphones. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and yes guys, we have here another product from Naenka, and this is the Runner Pro2 Bone Conduction headphones. So this is the second version of their Naenka Runner Pro. What's interesting about this product is that, as you can see in their packaging, you don't have to wear the headphones on your ears. Instead, you're just going to wear your headphones on your cheekbones. So it means that you are aware of the environment while listening to music. So guys, without further ado, let's take a look inside the box. Alright, so here it is guys. This is their packaging, so it looks really nice as well. Okay, and it looks really simple and clean. So on the lower left, you can see there bone conduction motion headphones. Okay, and on the side, so we have here intelligent speech, magnetically charged, bone conduction, compatibility, and also IP8 rating. Okay, at the back, so we only have here the product information. And on the other sides, we have also mountaineering. It's good for driving, working, cycling, and running. So guys, here it is. Ta-da! Our Runner Pro 2, fresh from the box. Okay, so let's take this one out, and then we have here another small carton here. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have here some accessories and the product manual. Okay, so if you have any questions guys, just refer to your manual. Okay, and then we also have here I think this is the adjustable rubber, and then the charging cable. So here it is guys. So let's set them aside first, and let's take a look at our Naenka Runner Pro 2. So okay, it is really good guys when you touch. So it's like a matte finish. And then we have here on the right, so we have here Naenka branding, and then on the left, so we have here the power on and off button, and also the volume rocker, and I believe this is the speech. Okay, and we have here the cheekbone tips. Yes, so when you wear it guys, so these tips here will be attached to your cheekbones, and it will make you listen. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm now wearing the Naenka Runner Pro 2 like this. So as you can see here, it does not really get into my ears, yes, directly. Instead, they are just in my cheekbones. So you will have here the adjustable rubber that will also help you in adjusting this area here. Okay, so I will be testing this one out guys, and I will let you know my review of, or my experience of this Naenka Runner 2. Alright guys, so we are back. So I have tested this product out while I was jogging, and all I can say guys is that it's really good. Okay, it has done its part, and it's really nice that at the same time you're listening to music and you're working out, and you're not worried that your ears might electrocuted. It's because this one is very safe, since we are just using the bone conduction feature of the Naenka Runner Pro 2. So guys, if you're interested, just tap on the link in the description box for you to check product. Alright, and then also let me know in the comment section about your thoughts of this Runner Pro2 bone conduction from Naenka. But for me, guys, all I can say is that this product, it's really doing its job. And yeah, for me, it's a 9 out of 10, guys. So maybe at first is you might feel awkward, but later on you will get used to it. So and you might feel like it's a great replacement for the typical headphones that we have. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.